Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig sent to me from RPGSHOW. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is a glueless 20-inch full lace wig with tinted transparent Swiss lace. The wig features a pre-plucked hairline with free parting space. Of course, it is a full lace cap construction, which means you can part anywhere on the entire wig, so the styling options are completely limitless. This wig has 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. Taking the wig out of the package, the first thing that I noticed is that the stretchy material of the full lace cap is a color of a natural scalp. Now, this may seem like something that's obvious to you for the cap to be a color of a natural scalp. I've never, ever tried a full lace wig that had a natural scalp color. Usually, the stretchy material used to create a full lace wig cap is a purplish tint, and that does not look natural at all. Like, no one's scalp is purple. No one's scalp has a purplish tint. I am so glad to see that they finally changed and upgraded this stretchy material on the cap so that it looks uniformed to the lace and it looks uniform to a person's actual scalp. Kudos to RPGSHOW for making this small change, which is going to make a huge difference in the overall naturalness and styling of this wig. All right, jumping into styling this wig, because the knots are already bleached and the hairline is already plucked for us, I'm just going to zoom past to tinting the lace. I do use 2 different colors of lace tints for my wig. The first color is the color of my scalp. I'll be spraying that in the inner portion of the lace frontal portion of the wig. And the second color is the color of my foundation, which I'll be spraying on the outer edge or hairline of the frontal. I'm going to blow dry in between each layer and do 2 layers of each color of lace tint. Here is how the wig looks when you take it out of the package and place it straight onto your head. I am obsessed with these layers. This is such a gorgeous wig. Straight out of the package, she is ready to be installed and to go. However, when I was looking through that magazine that they sent me, when I unboxed the wig, I fell in love with this specific hairstyle that I saw a picture of. And because this is a full lace wig, it is the perfect wig cap for me to recreate this look. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply a hair serum to the hair. I'm using BioSilk's Silk Infusion. Next, I'm grabbing a pair of scissors and cutting off the extra lace in the back nape area. Grabbing a rat tail comb, I'm going to section off how much baby hair I want. Sidebar, I choose not to glue down my full lace wigs in the back at all. When I add baby hairs to my full lace wig, it allows full versatility as far as styling. Also covers my back hairline without having to use glue, tape, or gel. This simple step will make the finished look like it's growing out of your scalp. So to create that style, you have to work in sections. I'm going to part the hair into 4 sections. Grabbing my precision comb, I am just going to follow that middle part on backwards to section the hair into 2 sections. And then after that, I'm going to grab the comb again, and then I'm going to part it horizontally. This will create our 4 sections. You're going to see me periodically grab my hair wax stick and my pressing comb just to smooth out the sections and to make the hairs go in the direction that I need them to go into. This is a super important step for a clean, neat, polished, finished look. Okay, so I'm going to start working on the bottom right section first. Grabbing my precision comb, I'm going to evenly part it in the middle to create 2 sections. Pinning the left section out of the way, I'm going to focus on the right section first. Grabbing the comb again, I am going to create another part to divide this into 2 more sections. Next, I am going to create horizontal parts, and that's going to section the hair into boxes or squares. Using a pack of colorful rubber bands, I am going to begin to add those rubber bands to each of the boxes. So we're basically going to do connecting squares. It's going to kind of look like a connecting twist or a cornrow. To do that, I am basically going to diagonally add the hair or feed the hair into the next square. I could show you better than I can explain, so please keep watching. So the bottom right pink square I fed into the green square. Next, I'm just going to grab the yellow square and I am going to feed that into this light pink square. So I'm just going to do crisscross or zigzag motions until I get to the very top of this first cornrow or cornrow twist section. So the last section is a triangle. I'm going to grab the last two squares, which is that green and yellow. I am going to crisscross them and then feed them into the last section or triangle. And voila, we are finished with the first section or the first connecting squared cornrow twist. I'm going to follow those same exact steps to complete the others. Within the two larger sections in the back, there are two connecting cornrow twists in each section, which creates a total of 4 connecting cornrow twists with this hairstyle. After I complete the entire 4, I am going to come back and we're going to work on the front portion of this wig. Finally, I am all finished with the back. It took me a little bit of time because I wanted them to be as precise as possible. And I was really upset because some of the rubber bands did keep popping, which was so annoying. So I suggest if you do this, I recommend you using 2 rubber bands per box or square. So what do you think about the back? Let's chat down below in the comment section. Next, I'm just going to grab an eyebrow razor and I'm going to begin to thin out the baby hairs in the back. Baby hairs are always optional, but if you choose to wear baby hairs on your wig like I do, you can thin them out. You can use a cutting shear to, thin it out that way. You can make them shorter than this. You can make them longer than this. I prefer to have length on this hairstyle because I want to do some spiral curls in the back. And I want to get really funky with the baby hairs, so I need them to be a little bit longer than normal. So now that we have the perfect length of baby hairs, it's now time to move on to the front of the wig. I'm just going to grab a pair of zigzag scissors and cut off the extra lace. Following the natural curvature of this hairline, I'm just going to cut away that extra lace. Prepping my skin for install, I'm just going to use alcohol to clear off my forehead. Grabbing scalp protector from Walker tape, I'm going to apply that to my scalp. So next, I'm just going to grab Wonder Lace Bond. This is from Eben, New York, and it is an adhesive hairspray. I'm going to grab the wig and spray this on the under portion of the lace. I'm going to spray it on the outer edge of the lace, and I'm doing a very thin layer of that. And then I am going to blow dry for a few seconds until it is tacky. Grabbing the wig, I'm just going to place it on my head in its proper placement and then put my headscarf on for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow it to set. Okay, so to save some time on this video, I did do the baby hairs off camera and I did section off the 2 pieces in the front where I want curls to be. Next, I'm going to focus on the top left and right sections of this wig to complete the entire 4 sections of hair. So I'm basically just going to grab the first section and I'm going to brush that and the connecting 2 cornrow pieces, if that makes sense, together so that it is in one ponytail. I'm going to do that to the other side as well. And then I'm just going to grab my brush and tease the hair a little bit to make it fuller. And then I'm going to put it in a bun and secure it with a bobby pin. And then I'm going to grab my curling iron and curl these two pieces out of my face. And here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. Let's chat all about this hairstyle. Let's chat all about this upgraded lace wig from RPGSHOW. Let's chat all about this hair down below in the comments. If you're new here and this is your first time on my channel, or if you are a returning subscriber but don't have on the post notification bell turned on, go ahead and do so now. It is free after all. I'll leave all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. So don't forget to check down below for more information, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.